Is your INFINOVA 64-channel enterprise NVR not working properly? We provide professional component-level repair solutions. We repair motherboard faults, LAN port issues, power supply failures, storage controller problems, HDMI and VGA output faults, and firmware errors. Our experienced engineers use advanced diagnostic tools to accurately identify faults and perform precision component-level repairs. Every repaired NVR is thoroughly tested and quality checked to ensure reliable performance and long-term stability. Restore your INFINOVA Enterprise NVR with our trusted repair service. Contact us today.